Let's open Tammy's 8 luxury jewelry mystery bags. She doesn't wish color, so I randomly selected pink, white and red, and if the tag matches wish color, she gets one free. New customer get an extra bag. Yellow. BGL style earrings so shine. Orange. CC antiqued vintage AB style chain heart drop earrings. Purple. Lulu diamond bangle, looks lively. Easy to open. Pink, get one more. Soft and refined CC earrings. White, get one more. Blue. Antiqued vintage ghee earrings with red rhinestones. Blue. T-classic silver bead bracelet. Pink, get one more. Hollow multi-letter ring. Pink, get one more. Pink D bangle, so beautiful. Yellow. Nail-shaped ring, minimalist and elegant. Red, get one more. Pink heart diamond low earrings, so nice. Green. See full tiny rhinestones classic earrings. Green. Lulu bracelet, the details are exquisite, every mini charms is carved with classic patterns. Red, get one more. Silver hoops, so beautiful. Purple. Double layer chain necklace with lock and key pendant, casual and distinctive. So crazy, Tammy, your 8 mystery bags become 15, congrats, free gift for you. Thank you so much.